All right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Y'all know what time it is, bro. Y'all know what time it is. Uh, Hold on. Let me fix something real quick though. Okay, chat. Yes, sir. We're back. We are back. Let me just say, we are back with a vengeance. I mean, we actually don't have anything to avenge on, to be honest. We're actually up pretty well. Um, so I did some pre-market trading. Took a little trade here. I don't think you can see it right there. Pre-markets. It was a little trade there. It got me up like 300 on the day so far. So we're up 300 on the day. So I think that's good. Just making sure y'all can hear me. Okay, good. All right. There we go. Okay. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? We're good. We're good. So let's kind of just like go over this real quick. Previous day low. Of course, we don't want it to go above it if we want a bearish bias, right? It tried. It really did try. Came down. So now we're down here. I'm thinking we hit the previous week low. That's what I'm thinking right here. Right now we're on this in discount on the 1 minute. Hit that 1 hour order block just now, I think. Yeah, there it is. There's that 1 hour order block right there. And so hold on, let me do something real quick. Now I wonder what mic is connected. Is my mic working? I think it is working. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Hold on. Let me. Okay, so 1 hour. Get myself situated here. All right. So yeah, like I was saying, I think we hit this previous week low. You know what I'm saying? It's been pretty bearish. Yo, who's that, bro? Who's that, bro? Hold on, I gotta see. Oh, yo, Rilla, bro, what's good, bro? How you been? What's going on with you? Yes, sir. I'm in NQ. You know what I'm saying? Hey, listen, I had a pretty good morning. I was in the pre markets. I got a little trade in. Pretty good. Went pretty well. Um, bro, dude, you're the music that you've been sending me, bro, has been like fire, bro. Like literally, like that's like my like go to work music now. Bro, you sent me, bro. Nah, you were on it, bro. That's fire, dude. Yo, I used to songwrite myself a little bit back in college. I'd like write a lot of songs, and I had one song in particular that I thought was pretty good, but I never like actually recorded it. It's so weird hearing your own voice singing, bro. It's just weird. It's just weird. I couldn't handle it. Yeah, bro. It's weird. It's really strange. Um, dude, I mean, I had a cool roommate too. He was like, I think he was he was like a music major, and he played keys. Um, and man, I don't know what it was, bro, but I wasn't like really into music at the time, bro. I was just on my grind. I was because I focused so much on music in high school, and so I was just like, I need to like kind of get my life together a little bit. So, but I still play, you know. I mean, from time to time. Yeah, facts, facts, bro, facts. Dude, I- I'm like so like bearish right now, bro. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I'm kind of like really bearish. I mean, these past couple of weeks, yeah, these past couple of weeks have been just like straight like consolidation, bro. I mean, like it's just been like in this like one area. Let me look at the. It's just been like it's like kind of starting to just consolidate here. I think we're probably gonna head down. I'm thinking we're gonna head down to the previous week low. To be honest, I mean, oh, I'm on NQ right now. Are you training? Are you training crude? Oh, you do. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Um, dude, I need to get me some headphones, bro. I mean, actually, I do have headphones right here. Actually, let me just put these on. I feel like I look kind of goofy with these. Um, let me see. Let me open up crude oil. Actually, hold on. Let me see. Dude, like I've actually never traded crude in my life, but like I feel like it's just I look at it from time to time and I'm just like Dang, bro, why is this like ripping so hard, or why is this like it's just it's weird, man. Hold on, let me see. Right, right. What what time frame are you on? Dang, bro. Yes, sir. I like that short time frame. See some. I think I could do it on here. Okie dokie. There you go. So like, I mean, does news really matter for crude? Like, what type of news do you like? I mean, what type of news do you like look at? Hmm. Right. Hmm. I did not know that. What I'm trying to do here is like, I'm still short, but we're kind of like in a discount right now, and I think we've made already a pretty good move, or a big move, and I mean, I don't think I want to go short on a, I don't know how many pips that is, or ticks here. I think this will tell me. Yeah, that's a huge move. We actually might not even hit previous week low, but I don't know. Didn't even know I had that computer sound off. Um, delete. That right.
I'm hoping that we can fucking sweep down.
There you go. Yeah. Back on NQ. We're kind of undecided right now. Um.
Yeah, a little consolidation, a little choppy chop.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with a little choppy chop. It might make its way back up to what is that? It closed. It did actually already. So no, it should not. We should be working inside of that 10. Well, I'm on a 30-second chart, so 10:08 and 30 seconds.
So wait, you're on 32nd on crude?
No, this is MNQ. I'm sharing the screen.
Let me see.
Yeah, so there's a little 30-second inverted fair value gap here. I like it. Let's see. I hope it holds. That would be cool if it held, but then there's this bigger guy right here that it might want to tap that. But it looks like it's going to hold and it's going to go. Very nice. Very fucking nice.
All right, there you go. All right, now I see. Now I see everything.
So there's our little inverted fair value gap here. And let's see if it can get us down to uh, the well, that's not first scaling, but that's my first scaling. First scaling for ICT's OTE model is minus 0.618.
Mm-hmm.
I do minus 0.27 because you're gonna when the market goes to 0.27, it's going to go back to 618 and then it's going to finish the OTE. It's not going to go, very rarely does it go straight through. It's going to go from, like we did here this morning. We sold here. Why? Because we hit up to 618 during when? Optimal trade entry. We get our unicorn model. Okay. We got order block, fair value gap, breaker, sell it here. Well, we sold it up here because we were looking at it on a 15-second chart. But for the other for the later people, yeah, this is what they would have been wanting to do. Looking to sell right there at 950. 950. This would have been their DOL. They would have been looking to get out
Mm-hmm.
here. So I mean, for that trade, I would suppose. But what I would say now is the 10 a.m. silver bullet people. What are they going to be thinking, right?
Yeah.
Well, it ain't that difficult, buddy. There's only a couple fair value gaps over here that you can sell. I'll let it stop me. This is the second time I've done this today, where I've made about $400 or $500. It was supposed to go to $1,000 plus target, and it did not. It stopped me out in profit. Went a little bit higher, where I resold it. So I do not mind getting stopped out here for $444. Absolutely not. Why? Because as soon as it comes up here, I'm going to sell it again.
Right.
Order block, fair value gap, breaker that hasn't been touched. So I got an entire unicorn right here that hasn't been touched yet at all. We would just have to hope that the well, it's 10, so New York AM is pretty much done, and we got New York AM liquidity down here. Well, it's sort of already been taken, but that's fucking bullshit. You're not going for fucking 930 highs. Like, fuck off. See,
No,
that's
that.
what they gotta understand the algorithm. If it's 10 a.m., right? So we are technically in the London close kill zone, which is 10 a.m. to 12, right?
Yeah.
We have to look at the liquidity for the previous kill zone, which is New York. Um, which is New York. I'm looking at this thing teetering towards my TP, and I started getting nervous, and then I forgot that I said I would leave
Yeah.
it.
Yo, I know those ones,
that I
bro.
was going. Yeah, that
You're good.
I'm gonna whatever money they give me, I'm gonna be grateful and I'm gonna be grateful for it,
No, yeah.
because who makes $400 in a day, right?
No, yeah.
Or
Yeah, you're good, bro.
400 in a day. So
No, yeah, this looks good.
um, we're gonna be grateful for it. We're gonna hold it, and if it comes up here, as a matter of fact, block. I'll do what the mentor taught and give it the order block. This
Okay.
order block here at 952. Why that order block? Because that's the one that we sold off of, or where we're trailing the stop. That's not the one where we sold off of, but when we're actively trailing this stop, we're looking at this dealing range right here because that's the one that made the low. Outside of that dealing range, where's the next fair value gap? Well, it's right there and it's being respected. At least we think so. And then the next order block would be right here. So by technicality, you're supposed to have your stop here at the order block if you're selling off of this fair value gap for your 10 a.m. silver bullet, looking for
Right.
what? At least 10 handles to what? The draw on liquidity. You got your order block, you got your fair value gap, right? We've already taken previous day low. Well, this is up here is actual previous day low. Why aren't they showing my price label for my thing? Coordinates, visibility, style. Yeah, price label. Yeah, price label. So 18,260.50 is actually the previous day's low, and that's actually the previous day's low. But this one down here, this other sell side that you see down here, that is if the buy side, or excuse me, if the sell side previous day low number two. So if you go to your daily chart, that is the second drawn liquidity to the downside outside of yesterday's previous day low. We call that's if the basically if the SSL number two or PDL number two, previous day low number two, or SSL number two, either or. Depends on what type, who. It depends on who you're talking to,
Mm-hmm.
and if they're a charter student or if they're an old school ICT student, because all old school ICT students aren't charter students. A
Oh
lot of
yeah.
people didn't pay for the charter because he had already given stuff for free and they found success on YouTube. So there was no need to pay him another $2,500 in 2021.
Bro. Dude, let me
So
tell you, bro, like I used to trade like just regular price action. Like the basic like channels and just support and resistance and whatnot. And dude, like I was like, there's something wrong with my trading because obviously I wasn't doing so well. And dude, the moment this like as soon as I discovered ICT, like I'd always search it up on the internet. Like I'd hear people talk about it, like what is ICT? And I just like gave it a go one time because I was like, well, this is price action. And I've always realized that price action is just the best. Like if you were gonna make a strategy for anything, it's just I feel like it's just perfect for like day trading. And so
can't be
ICT is
beat, man.
yeah, exactly. And so I was like, okay, so ICT is still price action. Let me take a look. And so, I applied the concepts and bro, I think that was my best week I've ever had. And like, it's still, I mean, I can't go back to that. I can't go back to that because that's like literally the best week I've ever had.
It's
I haven't been there.
impossible.
It's,
It's
it's,
impossible to go back, bro, right?
dude, it's like, it's like, I wasn't even that good from the start. How was it even possible that I did so well? But I realized it's because you when you trade like often, you'll start to see yourself like uh remove yourself from like a strategy that you've like already set. So like I already had a strict strategy and everything. And then like, you know, weeks later, I'm doing something completely different. And then I realized, why am I doing so bad? I used to do so good. And then you realize that, oh, you're trying to just, I'm not gonna wait for that to close, or I'm not gonna do this. I'm just gonna do a little, like, I'm not gonna follow my strategy here because I think I know better. And that's when I realized, bro, it's just like you just gotta just stick with your strategy, bro. You just gotta stick to the plan, bro. That's the best way to do it. Like even if you're wrong, like you just gotta stick with your plan. Cause
That's it. That's it.
it's gonna just destroy you in the long run. It's literally just going to annihilate you. Nah, yeah, but yeah, I mean, I don't see myself changing my strategy anytime soon. I think I'm locked in with this. So
Oh no, you couldn't pay me to change from ICT to
mm.
anything else. Like what? Imagine me like telling myself, several years ago that. Hold on, let me turn this fucking thing. The Japanese are like digging out a mountain, so I was watching something about that.
Yo, you're good.
Uh, yeah, those Japanese people always doing some cool shit, right?
Oh yeah, bro. They're on it. They're on it.
But holy shit, I just fucking forgot what I was gonna say now. Oh, you fucker, you better fucking go. Don't fucking give me money now. Give me money later. Later, yes, baby, yes. Thank you. You see how they say when people say, "Don't touch your stop,"
Mm.
right? And you see
Yeah.
how I had to manually adjust the stop in order to keep the trade alive.
Mm. Mm. Yeah.
So should you never, ever, 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 ever touch your stop?
I don't know, man. I don't know. There's sometimes you have to. I mean, I'd move it if I want to, like, you know, like not lose as much, but I mean, dude.
The
Yeah.
only time you never move your stop is if you are in profit. See, if I move this stop into negative,
Mm. Nah, yeah.
that's a no-no.
Yeah.
That's the no-no that everybody's talking about. But if I'm in profit and I'm saying, hey, I'm gonna move it here because I'm expecting it to go down, but I'm gonna give it just a little bit more wiggle room. But it always has to be something that makes sense, right? So we're doing what? We're using this bullish breaker, or excuse me, this bearish breaker, and we're looking to see, like, is it going to hold? I believe it's going to hold because these these black order blocks down here, they didn't give no fucking fair value gaps. That's weak as shit. Like,
Yeah.
where's the fucking displacement? There ain't none. The only fair value gaps or displacement is to the downside. So even if I'm wrong, I don't care. I'm still going to lean towards the downside, right?
Facts. Here, bro. Let me fix my audio real quick. I'm gonna put my headphones on.
Yeah, do your thing, man. I'll leave this up for a bit. I'm actually gonna go grab a coffee. I don't know how long you're gonna be here, but
Oh
if
no,
you're
yeah,
here
bro.
in about
I'll still be here probably. I'll be here till like um probably 11, I think. I usually trade for like an hour. Depends. Nah, but do your thing, bro.
for sure, I'll be right back, bro.
Alright, do this. Alright. Okay. Uh Let me just get out of here.
Order filled.
Whoa, whoa, what do you, oh.
Okay, they took us out.
I thought that was me. I was like, chill.
He's like, oh, what the fuck happened?
Oh man, that's funny. Okay. Okie dokie. All right, I think that's, let me fix, I think it's fine. Dude, what's up with this thing? I want it to be too low. Okay. Oh, we're ripping. See, I wanted to buy. I think I wanted to buy here. I should have bought down here. I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, I don't know that I'm buying it. I ain't buying it.
Oh, no. I gotta wait for this to cool down. But we will see. Let me fix.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order filled.
Okay.
Yeah, so a stop out here would mean that this thing is going to go much higher. And then looking at the 2 minute from like, what is that, 8:30, what, 8:10 a.m.? This is some nasty work. I don't want no parts of this. It's got to go down or I'm out.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's nasty. All right, Denzelito, I'll be back in a few, brother.
All right, bro. No, yeah, that's a perfect bounce on that 1 hour order block right there. Like that can't get any better. Yeah, we're ripping now. All right, so we just wait. All right, all right. Let me keep it there. Oh, of course. We're gonna get some rejection here. All right, there's the rejection. Yeah. Dude, if we go back to this previous day low, Why do that to me? Why do that to me? Of course. Right when I'm gone too. Not when I've done anything. Let me be real. uh, I didn't even see this. Do, 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 do. Do we get in? Ooh. Nah, it's just dumps back down. Gosh, what do you want, market? What do you want? What do you want? Another attempt. Like a long. Ooh. But it hasn't even hit these highs yet. Mmm. Mmm. plotting, bro. I'm plotting. I am plotting. I am plotting, chat. What? This is a Christmas song that's playing? I don't even know what's going on, man. Barely know what's playing half the time. Hmm. Forgot to. What candle is that? I forgot the name of it. So. Ooh, I want to buy. I want to buy here. Ooh, I want to buy, bro. But like something's telling me. No. Yo, this indecision is crazy.
Order filled.
I got in one. Got in one. I am in one contract right now. Just because it just feels right. And I'm putting my stop very tight. This just makes sense to me. Nothing at the top. This either rips or just totally goes through my stop.
Wait, you said listen. Wait, you said listen to rips. I don't
Oh,
know,
no,
man.
I said this is either gonna totally rip or this is just gonna hit my stop. I got in one.
Oh shit! I thought you were talking about. You know who I thought you were talking about.
Wait, who? Wait, actually, you gotta tell me.
No, fucking rips from.
Oh, yeah,
Top Step TV.
yeah. Oh, yeah. That
Like, yo,
guy.
bro,
No, I
You
know
listen to
him.
those motherfuckers if you want, bro.
He's something else. I'm not gonna lie. He does have some stuff that I do. Like probably when I'm see, okay, so I have a target here. My target is what? This is
What are you
kind
doing?
of
NQ? NQ?
yeah, I mean, here's the deal. So like we haven't actually hit these highs yet. When was this? Like in the
Can
morning?
you show me?
Like just this morning,
Can you show
yeah.
me?
Uh
My dogs.
well, so far so good, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, hold on actually. I might have
So
to
before you do, are you using TopstepX?
I am, bro. And this, I'm trying to get used to this thing. It is so different.
All right, so left-hand side, do you see where it says settings? Or you see that little gear thingy right there?
I do. Yeah. Chart settings.
Yeah, click that gear,
Oh,
right?
oh, oh,
And then,
that.
yeah, go to your platform settings. And then next to data speed that says fast, you'll see other settings. Make sure you go streamer mode for all of your fucking information. You don't want anybody seeing your
Stream
balance,
remote,
your max loss
balance.
limit, your realized
So
P&L, your
just click,
unrealized
just
P&L.
everything, just everything.
Yeah, just fucking click everything and save that
Okay.
shit, bro.
All
That way
right.
you can stream in privacy and not, have to worry about, um, trade to appease some motherfucker that can't even fucking trade themselves. It's so, but that fucking chat, bro.
Oh
It's like,
God, bro. They're
I'm not
crazy.
gonna lie, like some days I go in there because I'm like, let me just go poke a few of these fucking guys that I know who are shitty students and don't fucking study. They think they know they do not know these concepts, bro, right?
Right.
But nonetheless, right? Let me go into the ICT chat and poke a few people and see what happens, and it's always fun.
So,
Sometimes
so
I
right here,
probably shouldn't
bro.
do it.
Right here, like right at the highs right now, is it, like I'm trying to think. I mean, I'm a hold, bro. I'm a hold until what? Let's see. 250 probably. Oh, here we are. Previous day. Yep. I'm gonna just hold this one contract. I might have to. It's going too fast for me. Okay. Hold on.
NQ, I'm doing
Order
micros
filled.
only with NQ, man, because NQ is moving like a fucking maniac these days,
No,
bro.
yeah.
It's not nice.
Dude, I
It's not
accidentally
nice at all, bro.
Dude, I accidentally flattened, bro. I tried to put my take profit at previous day low. Dude, this is the second time, bro. This is the second time. No. No, bro, no. Oh, well, I mean, I can't be mad. I can't really be mad. I guess I am up, but dang.
Yeah, but see that type of mad, like I don't consider that a getting mad. I consider that like, bro, I know what the fuck I'm capable of. What the
Right.
fuck just happened?
Dude, look
Right?
how clean that trade was though. Like, bro, I got in at the perfect time, bro. I got in. When did I get in, bro? Oh my gosh. And I still have, okay, hold on. Let me cancel that. I got in during that like small consolidation. Bro, like here's the thing, bro. Like I literally get in when okay, so I'm technically a breakout trader. I'm not gonna lie. I do breakouts. So like I like to wait for when the price is consolidating and just it doesn't know where to go. So if I'm right, I'm right. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Like big time.
Yeah.
So it's just
there's
it's
no
either one
second
way or the
guess
other.
about it.
Look at that. Bro, that's perfect. That was perfect, bro. That was a perfect trade, bro. I just wish I knew how to use this platform. So, I could have stuck it out.
Would you go long? Would you went long NQ?
Yeah, I went long at here. Let me see. I can probably pull up the see, but that's the thing. Can you like on TopstepX, can you like see your like entries? You can't see your entries, which is so
Yeah, no executions yet. They're still like it's the Trading View API. Like if you when you go in
yeah.
there and you start clicking around, you'll see it's literally the same thing as Trading View without
Yeah.
some of the features.
I got
You can't put your drawings in folders, like no organization for the drawings, no alerts, no dual screens of multi-assets, meaning on my left screen I
yeah.
got NQ, on my right I got DXY.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and there was a couple of more things that were like I was looking for last week when I started using it that kind of pissed me off that weren't there, but I forget what they were.
I'm gonna see.
Yeah, we'll see.
I'm gonna see my.
I've also been using this 15-second chart and 15-second, 30-second chart. I really like the 30-second. I'm not if I feel like I'm missing something, I'll go to the 15-second, but the 30-second is usually suffice.
Yeah, bro.
Um,
No, yeah, man, dude. Like, I think I'm good, bro. I think I'm done for the day. Like, I'm up $1,000, so I think I'm.
up $1,000.
Yeah, I think I'm good.
Nice, nice,
Yes,
nice.
sir. See, like
Have you ever made $1,000 in a day at your job?
well, technically yes, I did, but it wasn't because I was working. It was because I was trading options one day. Like bro, let me tell you my first, like how I got like full into trading, bro. Let me tell you. So like I was so I was originally like trading for like years. Like I was like doing crypto and whatnot, and like I was just kind of like swing trading, right? And so I was like, you know what? Like I was taking all these other business ventures, and I always realized that trading was just like fun. I always kind of liked problem solving and trying to figure out problems, and I just liked you know, like calculating things, and you know, I do posts and whatnot, and like where I think the price would go. And so one day I just like locked in, and I was like, I discovered options, and it was kind of like a blessing and a curse because it was Wall Street bets. And I was like, bro, let me get
found Wall Street bets of all places.
Yes, bro, dude. And like so yeah, I was like, okay, bro, I got to get a trading strategy, you know, because like a day trading strategy, right? And so I did. I found one, and it was like bro, it was bad. It was a really terrible one. It was just one from like YouTube, but it was like a Larry Williams strategy. Like, you know, Larry Williams, right? So it's like, well, Larry Williams, he made tons and tons of money, right? And I'm just gonna follow his strategy, right? And so I did, right? And I like did my analysis, and I think it was during, if I'm not mistaken, it was either the day or the day after FOMC, and I got in a long on SPY, and I put in like what? I put in like my entire like I full ported, bro. I full ported like all the money that I made from my job.
SPY options.
Yes.
Okay.
0 DTE, bro. 0 DTE. And dude, that thing ripped, bro. Bro, it shot off, and I was like, yo, oh my god, dude, I didn't even know where to get out. I just was like, bro, I want $1,000, bro. I'm gonna wait until I get that $1,000. I didn't even care about what I saw on the chart. I was like, bro, until I see like 1,000 PNL, bro, I'm not leaving. And so it did. And I was like, dude, like I went into work. I was like, dang, bro, this is crazy. I just made like what I like make in a month at work, bro. It's just dumb, bro. It's just crazy, dude. So yeah, that's my little story. I got a little beginner's luck.
Cool, how old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
No, yeah, I'm 19. So I was in college. I got out. I'm not fully out. Like, I'm still thinking like I may want to like do some like online classes, but like no, yeah, I'm locked in, bro. I'm at the stage of my life where I'm just like, I'm hustling, bro. I gotta work, you know. This is like the moment in your life where, you know, you can really get ahead of people, and so that's what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to get ahead.
Yeah. Well, what you're doing right now, kid, Jesus fucking Christ. If you are able to circumvent the 18 to 24 month period that every trader goes through where they like run in circles. Like you learn, you actually beat all of your trading demons, right? You're over trading or gambling or whatever your thing
Hmm.
may be. Like you beat those things and you think that that is the last time that you're going to see that boss, but it's not true because that boss is going to go alive again and he's going to meet you the next time that you go around the
Yeah.
circle,
Yeah. No, yeah.
but in a different form. He's still going to have all of his powers. He's just going to he just would have had learned a new trick, right?
Yeah, man.
And so all of those like crazy fucking things I used to do, bro, like convincing myself that moving my stop loss from profit to risk was good for the trade. Right?
Right.
Now,
Yeah, yeah.
logically speaking, that is the stupidest fucking thing that you could ever fucking do on a chart. Take the
Man.
money and wait for another opportunity. It doesn't come today, cool. It's gonna come tomorrow. Not tomorrow, cool. Maybe next week, right? But I
Mm.
used to do so much fucking dumb shit like that. And when I realized, like, bro, there ain't no fucking hope involved in what ICT does.
Mm.
There is absolutely no fucking hope involved at all. It's
Mm.
either I think I'm fucking right, so I'm taking this trade. Oh, look at that. I was right.
Mm.
Or, hmm, I missed something. I got something to learn. I've, I don't know. Thinking like that, man. Sheesh, I don't know.
No, yeah,
I
bro.
don't know. I would say just like, are you funded, right?
Yeah, yeah. I got funded. This is a new 50K, the one that they gave out. I'm trying to pass it. Um, so far so good. This was actually today. Like I just started it today. So yeah, I think this is pretty good. I actually I actually shouldn't keep going even if I like wanted to, because like the whole consistency like rule. But yeah, dude. I mean,
Yeah, consistency target. If you made about 1,500, I'd let it go. And if you made 1,000, but
I'm chilling.
not 1,500, I would still walk away. You know why?
Yeah. Yeah.
Going in there and trying to get that extra 500, you're gonna lose the 1,000 and 500.
Dude, yeah, bro. Yeah. No, yeah, I'm
I've literally had
like, dude, like 2 trades in, if I lose 2 of my trades like in a row, I'm done, bro. I really am. Because I mean, on my strategy specifically, if I lose 2 trades, that's like me losing like close to like the $500 area. Like, so if I lose 2 trades,
sheesh.
yeah. But if I win trades, and I have a really high win rate, just because I like scalp. I'm a super scalper, bro. I don't even know. Like I mean, I'm on the 1 minute, and I'm taking these, like, I don't know how to explain my strategy. It's like I look at the macro, right? I see what's going on, like, the 1 hour, the 15 minute, and I don't trade if the 1 hour, if the 15 minute is in a consolidation, like I don't trade, bro. Like I don't do anything. I wait until it's either at like what's the word, like the high probability setup on the macros, and then I go into the 1 minute, and I look for just bites. I take little bites, and usually those bites are like they're there a lot. Like, I mean, I'm seeing one right now, and I'm not looking for the big like trade, because I realize that I can make enough money just like it can hit that previous day low, like, which is what I was like, the trade I just made, right? I mean, it was perfect. It just went up right there. I got out. I mean, it wasn't, I don't know how many ticks that was, but which is also kind of crazy, because I also trade pre-market, and after hours too. So like sometimes you gotta like remember like the ticks, right? Because like you size your chart so it can like fit on your screen, and then like like when you're trading the after hours market, you put in one contract, it seems like nothing. It's like, what, bro? Let me put in like 3 more, and then the next day you go into the actual markets, like the live like morning session, you put in a contract or two, and you're like, damn, bro, that's so much money. Like, yo, I didn't need to do that. So it's like, I'm just taking little bites, man. It's just, and it's been working. It's been working pretty well. And I'm never looking at one time frame, which is what I used to do. I'm always looking at all the time frames, man. It's important. You gotta know you gotta know all the traders, like what they're doing. You gotta think in their head, like what are they thinking too. So yeah, man. It looks like we hit the previous day low, and then we're coming right back down.
Previous day low. Oh yeah.
Yeah, we hit it.
I was like, wait, what? How did I get stopped out? No, I'm not stopped. I think we're going 137 3/4. That's the NQ trade. So NQ's been a bit, man, fuck NQ, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I might not even trade NQ tomorrow. It might be gold and crude for the rest of the week because
it's weird. NQ has been very strange lately. I mean, we're in a like, do we keep rallying at these all-time highs, or do we just dump now? Yes, we go lower.
They're gonna fucking dump it and then pump it and then dump it and then pump it until people start saying like, bro, is the government gonna get involved about this shit or what?
Nah, bro. I mean, dude,
they're gonna fucking wick the shit. Like when I say they're gonna wick somebody, like if you could like take a candle off a chart and like poke somebody in the ass with a wick.
Oh my god,
right?
dude. Yeah,
it's
bro.
Literally like evil, sinister type of shit is what they're doing with NQ, and I'm just not fucking interested. Like one thing that I've been trading the market since 2008. And I would say the one thing, I know, wow, you were like a baby then, right?
Yeah, bro. I mean, dude, I was still like a toddler, man.
Yeah. No, what did you say? 19, 20?
19. I was actually, so I used to live in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And I was basically like what? I was just born when Hurricane Katrina hit. So during that time, during that era.
Oh, you were a 2004 baby?
Yeah, 2004. I think I'm Gen Z, right? I'm Gen Z.
Yeah, you're most definitely Gen Z for sure.
Yeah.
We're the millennials. My generation is the millennial. Millennial generation.
That's what does your generation have? What is the best stuff your generation has, you think? Like what do you guys got?
My generation, the best things we had were Talk Boys, right? I don't know if you remember a Talk Boy. If you ever seen the movie Home Alone, and Macaulay Culkin had his little Talk Boy where he would go around and record into it, right? So we had those little cool things. We had Game Boy. We went through the Game Boy, Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advance, the first Nintendo DS, Atari, fucking the first Sega ever, Sega CD, like Sega Genesis, Sega CD, Sega Dreamcast, fucking regular Nintendo, Super NES, fucking N64, PlayStations. But the most important thing about our generation is there were no cell phones and there was no fucking like communal internet for people to. So what were we doing? We were outside riding bikes in the fucking wood, in the woods, like living life. Like, and it's like when they say like, oh, this generation has no fucking idea, like they really don't. They have no fucking idea what it's like to wake up on a Saturday morning and it's like, oh, all the
Mhm.
chores are done. Oh, everybody, we're fucking going outside. Nobody's in the imagine that. Like in
Uh,
2002, if anybody said like, "Oh, my little brother's at home on the computer gaming. He's been gaming for fucking 7 hours." Like
mm.
we would fucking call the cops or like the ambulance or something. Like that kid's fucking possessed.
No, that's crazy, man. Like, actually,
You see the
I,
difference, but like,
dude,
the
I mean,
government pushes
also,
that shit on you.
yeah, man. I mean, people. I mean, I don't know the statistics, but I'm just gonna say I feel like people were a lot healthier back then. I mean, physically, mentally. I mean, dude, like my generation. I mean, dude, I don't even have TikTok installed. I mean, like for Instagram, what I do, like for all my social medias, I um I if I need to post something, I post it, like I have to download the app again. So I download the app, I post whatever I got to post on my story, whatever, and then I delete Instagram. I delete it. I delete all my socials, and I do all my work on my computer. So like I still go on Instagram if I have to, like, you know, look at some stuff, look at inspiration, whatever. But I do everything on my computer. So I like transferred all my screen time on my phone to my computer, which basically kind of like, I guess, okay, you can say it's, you know, I'm still kind of looking at a screen, but there's a difference because your phone, bro, like, I've reduced my screen time so much. Like I'm only like getting what, average an hour screen time a day on my phone. And dude, it's just so easily accessible. And it's just like you can just lay down and you can just go on your phone and just do whatever you want. You can go on YouTube, you can go on Instagram. And dude, it was such a time suck, bro. It was really bad. But you know, I mean, for like I still watch YouTube like on my computer. And I still have my tablet too. So like I still, like, you know, watch stuff on my tablet. Like I have YouTube on my tablet, but I'm not on my phone. It's just different. It just doesn't feel right, you know? But yeah, dude.
So like I had to take a
So what?
I had to take a contract off, and then I literally just almost fell off of the fucking bar stool and almost smacked the floor. But
No.
hold on one second, I gotta pick something up.
Oh yeah, man, dude. Don't hurt yourself.
Yeah. So what I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted was by myself fucking myself up.
Yeah.
um, I had to take a contract off because I don't like this. I don't give a shit if I'm right or wrong. My job is to protect the money. My job is not to trade the money. My job is to protect the money. If I got if I got damn near $1,000 on the table and I feel like, oh, it might go back to 300, which is absolutely unfucking acceptable. Why am I saying it's gonna go back to 300? Because that's where the order block is, right here at 1036. It's gonna come down. If it doesn't tap the order block, it's gonna do what? Tap this breaker inside of this fair value gap, right? The discount fair value gap. Here's your breakaway gap right there. That was immediate rebalance. We want that to stay open. That's how you know what fair value gap you want to stay open. It's a breakaway gap. Why is it a breakaway gap? Because it's the gap that gave the displacement for the market structure shift here. So that's why this is the breakaway gap and not this guy. Right?
Right.
So there's your breakaway gap. And so one would say, well, the market's going back up and you sold one off. And I would say, well, what's to stop me from holding it until the end of the day? Where I would have made 2 times more than what I would have made on the TP. Because now we're going towards lunch. We're still going up. I already know what I'm thinking. 330 high of the day. 2
Yeah,
p.m.
man.
silver bullet gonna take out 930 highs, and we're gonna get 330 high of the day. Now that may play out, but it may fucking not play out. But guess what? Either way, I took $500 home.
Facts.
That's what it's about. I had to get out of that. I don't know about you, but for me, I don't give a shit about that fucking money on that screen. I care about whether I was right or wrong. Because if I was wrong, then that means I'm fucking dumb and I did something wrong in my analysis. And that's what pisses me off. It's not the money.
Right. Yeah, man.
It's
I mean,
like,
you gotta
I
just
was
do the best you
wrong.
can. Yeah. You know, you gotta like
Yeah,
just yeah, follow your strategy, and you know, I mean, sometimes it's not. I mean, sometimes I follow my stuff 100%, and you know, I'm still wrong. Sometimes, I mean, that's probably because I'm trading NQ. But you know.
Yeah, there you go. You did everything right and you still got your ass smacked, huh? Ain't that some shit? Fucking NQ, bro, like crazy.
Yeah, they humble you sometimes,
NQ
but
stopped me out 4 times this morning. Like I made a couple of $1,000 with NQ today, but I got stopped out 4 times for that shit. I was fucking cursing. It was fucking what, maybe like 6:30. I was in here screaming at the top of my lungs.
yeah.
Not like, oh, I'm angry or something, but like when I woke up and I woke up, I come in here, I look at the charts, I'm like, oh my God, NQ, you're back. Clean fucking unicorn. Go do a little workout, go get the first coffee of the day, come back, stopped out. I'm like, oh shit. All right, let's go take a shower. Put on a trade, go take a shower, come back, stopped out. I'm like, oh fuck, this thing is going down, in which it did go down, right?
Yeah.
But I'm like, okay, I'm getting dressed. I'm gonna put on another trade. What do you think happened to that motherfucker? Stopped out, right? Stopped out 4 times because.
Yeah, bro.
And then
Hey,
I
listen.
don't know. I just got to do my daily review today because 9:30 happens so fucking fast in NQ, and then I'm trading multiple accounts at the same time. I'm starting to get a little gray on what, you know, everything that's supposed to be going on.
Right. Hey, bro, listen, I'm actually gonna head off. Bro, I appreciate you joining, bro. Like, actually, like,
For sure, bro. I wasn't gonna leave you in here, have you in here streaming by yourself, bro. That's fucked up,
yeah,
bro. Like,
it's all good, bro. Hey, listen, you know, whatever I do on the stream, like, I just take it and then I just like edit it and then I post a video. So like, I'm probably gonna make a little short, and then I'll get some views on that. So you know, I appreciate it though. Like,
for sure,
you know, stop by whenever, man. You know, I'm gonna be in here for probably like almost all the time. Just chilling. So stop by whenever.
Understood.
Yeah, bro.
For sure, my boy.
I don't know if I'm
Take
gonna.
care.
Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna
What?
trade tomorrow. I usually don't trade when there's like news. So like if there was news like at 10 today, I wouldn't have traded. So we'll see. So we'll see if I'm gonna trade tomorrow. But yeah, bro, you take it easy, man. Okay.
Well, if you do, we're always here, bro. Enjoy your day. And
yeah, bro. You too, man.
Good luck.
Yeah, I appreciate it. You too.
Later.
Late. Yep. All right, guys. We're gonna cut it off here. As you can see, up 1,000 on the day. Taking a break. So yes, starting off the combine strong.